Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to update your city on LinkedIn using your PC, following the latest updates to the platform. Whether you've moved to a new city, want to explore job opportunities in a different location, or simply need to correct a mistake, keeping your LinkedIn profile up to date is crucial for making the right connections and getting noticed. So, let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and go to linkedin.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the Me icon. It's usually your profile picture or a generic avatar if you haven't uploaded one. Click on that. This will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, we're going to head into the Settings area, so click on Settings and Privacy. Okay, now that you're in the Settings and Privacy section, you'll see a list of options on the left-hand side of the page. Look for Account Preferences and click on it. This section is where you can adjust various settings related to your LinkedIn account. Next, you'll find yourself looking at different options related to your account preferences. What we're interested in is updating your profile information. So, under Profile Information, you should see an option that says something like Name, Location, and Industry. Click on that. This will take you to the section where you can edit these details. Now you're getting close to changing your city. In this section, you'll see your current location listed. To change it, simply click on the Location field. A text box or a drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to enter a new city. Start typing the name of your desired city, and LinkedIn will likely provide suggestions based on what you type. Select the correct city from the options provided. Finally, after you've chosen your new city, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save button, usually located at the bottom of the page, and click it. And that's it. Your city on LinkedIn is now updated. Remember, keeping your LinkedIn profile accurate is super important. It helps recruiters find you, ensures your network knows where you're based, and opens you up to relevant opportunities in your area. So, take a moment to go through these steps and make sure your profile reflects your current location. Thanks for watching, and happy networking.